And it was at this moment right here where my inner child said, ooh, I know, let's make a robot. No, we're not gonna make a robot because we just made a character figure. We had just made Diver Dan. Let's make something different. Yeah, we're gonna make a robot. Oh man. Okay, let's make a robot. You should give him a pompadour hairdo. That looks like a pompadour hairdo. You should give him a pompadour hairdo. No, I'm not giving a robot a pompadour hairdo. How do you even know what a pompadour hairdo is? I know what you know. Rocket jetpack. You need to give him a rocket jetpack. Make those a rocket jetpack. Rocket jetpack? It's either a rocket pack or a jetpack. It's not going to be a rocket jetpack. It's not going to be a flying rocket jetpack robot with a pompadour hairdo. I draw the line there. I draw the line. I'm not going to do it. Personally, I think that you're just jealous because you don't have any hair. That's what I think. That's why you're so offended by the pompadour hairdo. It is a lot of hair, though. We're going to make it a ball cap. It's a ball cap. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this sculpture as much as I enjoyed making it. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my mystery box builds. I do one of these every week. So, inner child, is there anything else you'd like to add to the conversation? Holy smokes, it's